I am Earth. Long before you drew borders or named mountains, I spun through the cosmos, dynamic, resilient, alive. You later called me Mother Nature, protector, even goddess. Yet you treat me as though I'm an endless supply of resources, immune to consequence. For thousands of years, I sustained you. I grew your food, filled your rivers, breathed through your forests. I even handed you fossil fuels, ancient sunlight compressed over geological time, and you burned through it in a geological blink, as if physics itself would bend to your desires. But the universe does not negotiate with wishful thinking. Look around. Towns reduced to ash, forests consumed by megafires, cities overwhelmed by storms they were never built to withstand. Heat waves, floods, and droughts aren't bad luck. They're the outcome of a planet pushed out of balance. By burning fossil fuels, you've rapidly released carbon that took millions of years to store. Excess carbon dioxide thickens the planet's heat-trapping blanket, letting in more energy than can escape. The resulting imbalance warms the Earth, destabilizing every major system: oceans, weather, forests, ice. This isn't politics. This is physics. These are the thermodynamic consequences of your choices and the voidable crisis of your own making. My oceans, your planetary thermostats, are warming faster than at any time in human history. Warm oceans fuel explosive hurricanes, raise sea levels, and suffocate marine life. Coral reefs, ancient ecosystems of staggering beauty, are bleaching to silence. Meanwhile, forests and soils, your planetary lungs, are being chopped down and paved over, unable to absorb the carbon you pour into the air. And yet, through all of this chaos, one truth stands out. For millennia, indigenous peoples understood what modern civilization forgot. They practiced restraint, reciprocity, and respect. They harvested only what they needed and gave back more. They tended forests, protected waters, and treated me not as a resource, but as a relative. Their wisdom was not mystical. It was ecological science lived through culture. You dismissed it, and now you're rediscovering it out of desperation. Continue down your current path and expect more fires, more floods, more famine, more species erased, more systems collapsing beyond your ability to repair. Cross certain thresholds and no amount of wealth will bring them back. But your future is not yet sealed. Cut emissions now and scale the clean technologies that can transform your energy systems. Restore forests faster than you harvest them, and deploy regenerative practices that rebuild soils and ecosystems. Stop poisoning the oceans and invest in innovations that heal and protect marine life. Choose leaders who prioritize your survival, your climate, and your future. Replace greed with responsibility and denial with bold action, grounded in science and regeneration. I am Earth. I will endure. The real question is whether humanity can correct its own mistakes in time, and what kind of planet your children will inherit when the consequences finally arrive.